Delve into the Silurian hypothesis. Did an advanced civilization exist on Earth before us? Unearth the scientific curiosities and mysteries that challenge our understanding of history. The Silurian Hypothesis. A deep dive into a provocative theory on advanced pre-human civilizations. Welcome to another journey through time and thought on Top Thangs. Today, we're venturing millions of years into Earth's enigmatic past to explore the Silurian Hypothesis. This theory isn't just a dive into history, it's an exploration into the very essence of what it means to be a civilization. Let's embark on this thought-provoking expedition together. The Silurian Hypothesis proposes an intriguing possibility that advanced technological civilizations may have risen and fallen on Earth millions of years before the present era. First formulated in 2018 by American geophysicist Gavin Schmidt, this unorthodox concept challenges conventional assumptions about human prehistory and the scale of our planetary impact. We will delve into the key evidence, arguments, and debates surrounding the Silurian Hypothesis, examining its viability and profound implications if proven valid. We begin by reviewing the hypothesis's origins and key premises around deep-time hidden civilizations. The essay then explores major supporting lines of evidence cited, from anomalous artifacts to geological anomalies. Skeptical critiques and rebuttals are considered to weigh the current balance of consensus. Speculation also examines our shadowy pre-human inheritance, if theories of forgotten precursors in Earth's deep past turn out to be fact, not fiction. Ultimately, assessment finds the Silurian Hypothesis highly controversial, but warranting further multidisciplinary analysis. If substantiated, the notion of advanced, precocious civilizations fundamentally reshape our understanding of humanity's place in planetary history. Even if unverified, the hypothesis provokes vital perspectives on the fragility of knowledge and our still nebulous grasp of deep-time existence. Origins and key premises of the Silurian Hypothesis. The name Silurian Hypothesis was coined by Gavin Schmidt in a 2018 paper to conjure visions of shadowy pre-human civilizations arising during the Paleozoic Silurian geological period some 400+ million years ago. First developed within a small group of geophysicists, the hypothesis proposes that one or more technologically advanced societies may have evolved on Earth prior to the current Anthropocene epoch and Homo sapiens. Such civilizations, existing before our ancestral apes farther back even than the dinosaurs, would likely have emerged, progressed and collapsed over multi-million-year time spans. Their existence may be detectable through unexplained anomalies in the geological record that suggest large-scale industry or engineering markedly predating humanity's epoch. Some key premises underlying the hypothesis include: Earth's biosphere supports complex life at least 3.7 billion years old. Sophisticated intelligence could have evolved multiple times across eons. An industrial civilization millions of years old may have left traces in the geological record. For example, fossil fuel depletion from an industrial precursor civilization may be evident. Our ignorance of pre-quaternary conditions makes it difficult to rule out pre-human civilizations. Unknown unknowns exist in deep time. Proponents stress the hypothesis merits further analysis given how much of Earth's vast history, cycles and systems remains obscure. Even a low probability merits weighing since the implications of confirmation would be revolutionary. Major lines of evidence cited. Proponents of the Silurian Hypothesis point to several anomalous archaeological and geological clues that they believe could indicate the traces of ancient advanced pre-human cultures. Out-of-place artifacts. These are human-made objects like tools or decorated stones that appear well out of context for the time periods they are from, suggesting more advanced craftsmen. Examples include controversially interpreted objects from 300-million-year-old coal deposits. Precambrian anomalies. Some cite things like geometric patterns in rock strata from the Precambrian era as evidence of primitive geoengineering or architecture by early complex life forms. Evolutionary gaps. The sudden appearance of new phyla without intermediaries in the fossil record, such as the Cambrian explosion, could imply periods of technological progress too rapid to leave transitional fossils behind. Megafaunal depletion. Some claim the massive die-offs of Pleistocene megafauna at the end of the last ice age was accelerated by prehistoric overhunting, including by lost advanced humanoids. Myths and legends. Stories of previous lost civilizations like Atlantis may recall or allegorize forgotten precocious pre-human cultures passed down. Critiques and skeptical consensus. Despite these intriguing clues, the Silurian hypothesis remains highly controversial with ample critiques from across fields. Skeptics contend anomalous evidence has more plausible standard explanations not requiring Precambrian civilizations. Out-of-place artifacts typically have dating or provenance issues. No direct, unambiguous material evidence or artifacts reveal advanced pre-human cultures. There is only speculative interpretation of ambiguous patterns currently. Major extinction and climate events have known natural causes like astrophysical events. Mega engineering projects would have left more obvious traces. Myths and legends are considered fictional allegories, not literal history conveying forgotten civilizations accurately across eons. Oral transmission decays over generations. Vast timescales make it unlikely an entire precocious civilization would vanish without trace. A globe-spanning culture over millions of years should leave abundant clear evidence. Any gaps in knowledge more likely reflect geological realities, not phantom precursors. Currently, there is no accepted empirical evidence for the Silurian hypothesis. While intriguing, absent supporting proof, it remains fringe conjecture, unable to displace standard models presuming Homo sapiens as first truly advanced civilization. Speculation on our shadowy inheritance if hypothesis is true. If compelling proof ever substantiated the Silurian hypothesis, the implications would be profound in reshaping our understanding of humanity and Earth. Our ignorance of previous complex biospheres and lost histories would be exposed, as well as our inflated sense of uniqueness. Past pre-human industrial civilizations may have conceivably left communications or cultural artifacts revealing their philosophies, sciences, and arts. Finding these would provide a vast treasure trove of deep time knowledge, accelerated ecosystem and climate changes leaving lasting planetary impacts. We may actually be seeing echoes of their existence in aspects of geology or evolutionary trajectories. Passed down forgotten knowledge through language, myths, or biological inheritance that subtly influenced human development. They may be shadows in our prehistory. Engineered planetary changes like moving continents, sculpting landforms, or seeding life to new planets even. Earth's origins may not be natural. Proof of their existence would force a reckoning with how little we grasp Earth's ancient cycles, life and societies. Humans would just be temporary custodians of a deep-time planet with perhaps greater legacies lost to us. We must expand perspectives on the scale, sophistication and fragility of intelligence across cosmic timelines. The Silurian hypothesis remains highly speculative but merits further interdisciplinary analysis rather than outright dismissal. Strong skepticism is warranted given an absence of direct evidence and the vastness of deep time, but it functions as a productive thought experiment on the limits of current knowledge. Testing its validity forces researchers to identify implicit assumptions, account for unknowns in planetary history, and widen horizons on the possibilities of past biospheres. Even unproven, the hypothesis' core premises provoke vital reflection on humanity's still nebulous understanding of our own deep origins, legacy, and place within Earth's ancient story. As we ponder the Silurian hypothesis, it invites us to question our understanding of Earth's history and our place in it. Could there have been civilizations thriving in eras we consider prehistoric? And if so, what traces, if any, did they leave behind? This hypothesis not only challenges our historical narratives, but also our perception of time and progress. It raises profound questions about the sustainability and longevity of civilizations. What do you think? Could the Silurian hypothesis hold a fragment of truth, or is it merely a captivating fantasy? Let's discuss this further in the comments and explore the realms of possibility together. As we conclude our deep dive into the Silurian hypothesis, we're left with more questions than answers. What do you think about the possibility of ancient advanced civilizations on Earth? Could there be untold stories buried deep within our planet's crust? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have a thirst for uncovering the unknown, tell us what mysteries you want us to explore next on Top Thangs. Remember, history isn't just about the past. It's a key to understanding our future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more captivating journeys through time and thought.